Hi, it's me, again. Welcome back to an online shopping review. More importantly, a midnight unboxing. Now, I came up with this idea a little bit ago, so with these ones, you can sit back, relax a little bit, get into comfortable clothes, snuggie, whatever you want to, and just be you. Just watch the unboxing happen. As you fall asleep, at midnight. But we got a box. We're gonna unbox it. So I got my bat knife right there, as you can see. Now, I haven't used this thing in a while. It's been a while. So we're gonna be unboxing some lights. Now, these are some professional lights for professional people. Now, I don't know about you, but I want to take this YouTube channel up a game. So, I got some professional lights. Ugh. Throw the box over there. Okay. Seems like box thing number one. Thing number two. Let's see what's in here. I think these are the light bulbs. Hope they didn't crack in shipping. That would be nice. So it seems like the footage wasn't recording. So let's just get right into this time lapse and see how it goes. Whoa. Well, that is something. I don't know really what to say to this. Man, I really do feel more professional with these lights. Like, YouTube is a hobby for me. I post videos when I want to. It's mostly thing that I do on the side. I do have a life of my own, so I can't really post every single day like I want to. But yeah, man, these really do make a difference. I bet you can see it too with the lighting and how everything is. You can see this is actually white for once instead of yellow. For the longest time, I've been using LEDs, and mostly why I've been using them is because a YouTuber named by the name of Rerez, he said it's the best way to do it for the longest amount of time, so that's what I've been doing. And they worked really, really well in like my older videos, but I didn't know what I was missing out on here. Man, this is something else. These are like amazing. There's a video in the works right now. It's going to take a while, but it's not really going to have this. I like these two lights. It's going to have the old lighting, but this is amazing. I bet you can see my face actually pretty well. Like, yeah. Other things I would like to say is, wow, thank you for watching for this long. I think I've been making videos for about 5 years now. Probably next year, I do have something planned, and we'll see what I can do about it. Like, and I would love to show it with you once when it's done, and once when it's over. and it's going to be amazing what I can do with it. Now, these lights will probably help me in my later videos. I do have a video that I've been working on for a while now, and it's taking me forever because about the research that I have to go through and everything that I have to do. And then I have another video planned that has a lot of math, and I'm not really the best at math, so I'm having somebody else check that for me. So yeah, I'm gonna give these lights a few more days, and let's come back to them in a few more days and see how I feel about them. Right now I'm really excited because this is like new lighting. This is like amazing. So I'll come back to them. Okay? Okay. So it has been 2 days now, or 2 nights. So yeah, it's been that long. I would say I like these lights. I already knew that I was gonna like them, but yeah, it's kind of set in, like, it's kind of like, man, why weren't these lights, why didn't I buy these lights sooner? Why didn't I get them sooner? That's kind of how it is right now. I can't wait to use them in bigger videos. I do have some plan with them, so yeah. I haven't found any like good uses yet for them, though I do have a problem of turning them on and keeping them on when I'm down here in this office area, because I like the lighting better than how it used to be. And that's mostly it. Also, I did get a new haircut, but I don't want to go into that tangent. I don't really want to, but yeah. Yeah. So that's mostly it. Make sure to subscribe. I'll probably do more of these like nightly ones, these laid back, kind of quiet ones. A little bit more. Like, I'll probably do them more like every single July. So make sure to subscribe. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you didn't. Hit the notification bell down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.